How to make money from Amazon. There are very few internet businesses that can compare to Amazon in terms of size. Fortunately, Amazon is a simple way to start for any business owner searching for the latest way to make money. You may use their platform in several ways to share the wealth, according to them. How simple it is to become an Amazon bestseller or to make other substantial money on Amazon may surprise you. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll tell you about the 12 best ideas for how to make money from Amazon. Watch this video till the end as you'll come to know why Amazon is the best for making money online. Before we begin, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel. If you are searching for an idea to make money without going anywhere reliably for the expected future, Amazon probably extends a good technique for you. Let's look at some ways from which Amazon can make you earn income. Number 12, the trade-in program. With the Amazon trade-in program, you may be unable to gain money, but you can get Amazon gift cards. Since almost everything can be purchased on Amazon for the majority of people, it is equivalent to money. Observing neighborhood garage sales or other places where you can find used products at incredibly low cost can be a terrific way to earn a little more cash. You are eligible for a credit of up to 25% of the item's original retail cost. You'll probably improve at it as you get involved because Amazon is picky about what they take. Demand is frequently higher for specialized products or those with fewer suppliers. Fortunately, you might be able to find products like these at a very low price on eBay or garage sale. Number 11, online arbitrage. Similar to physical arbitrage, online arbitrage involves making purchases online as opposed to in person. When hunting for the cheapest products, eBay is typically the best option. You can purchase items for a significant discount on the retail price by keeping track of bids. Then you may sell these goods on Amazon for more money. Because you saved so much money by purchasing on eBay, you can turn around inventory very fast and offer a very competitive price on Amazon. Number 10, be a wholesale seller. Because of its extensive network of wholesale vendors, Amazon frequently has the most affordable pricing for the goods that the majority of consumers and businesses require. Because they are purchasing in such huge numbers, wholesale dealers receive discounts on their items. They can then afford to list such things on Amazon for the lowest feasible cost. Wholesale merchants frequently compete with one another in this cutthroat market by offering the lowest rates feasible. If you don't possess a warehouse space for storing goods, you might not be able to earn a sizable income. This way, you won't have to rely solely on the FBA program and do business with Amazon's warehouse. Number 9, make a brand. Select a product you adore. Get it directly from the manufacturer, brand it with your name and logo, and you'll become a brand seller. List your goods on Amazon at a price that you consider to be reasonable. You have complete control over your products when you sell them on Amazon under your own brand. Applying for a brand register with Amazon will help you safeguard your private label product from copycats. Amazon is a tough place to compete, but if you have a product with a special value or a competitive advantage, you'll be able to generate a good amount of money by selling branded goods there. Being a professional seller on Amazon will probably be extremely affordable for you. You might quickly become well known on Amazon if you know how to take excellent images, create persuasive product descriptions that persuade customers, and provide an excellent product. There is a considerable lot of research involved in looking for things to sell on Amazon. Number 8, sell a service. The sole trick to making money on Amazon isn't through product sales or advertising. You can also earn well in an Amazon store if you have a service to sell. Whether you teach school subjects or musical instruments, Amazon can assist you in finding clients. There is no monthly subscription charge, advertising costs, or startup costs. All you require is a clean business history and normal liability insurance with $1 million occurrence cap. Background checks are necessary for services offered to homeowners as well. The percentage you pay to Amazon varies depending on the service you offer and how much you earn. Amazon can relieve you of some of the labor if you don't want to deal with marketing your services, developing a website, etc. on your own. Number 7, retail arbitrage. Have you ever purchased something from your neighborhood big box retailer, such as Walmart, and felt the price was excellent? Buying in bulk at a discount might be profitable if you use retail arbitrage. With retail arbitrage, you may use big box retailer discounts to your advantage and earn by reselling those goods on Amazon. You may increase your revenue significantly for many products by utilizing discounts, clearance sales, and other promotional opportunities. You can utilize your smartphone for scanning barcodes and use the FBA revenue calculator to figure out whether a specific product is profitable to sell on Amazon. To succeed at retail arbitrage, you must put in a lot of effort. If you believe that you can get by buying clearance things whenever you see them, you'll probably end up dissatisfied. But if finding great deals excites you, you might discover that you can make money as well as save it. Number 6. Amazon Mechanical Turk. The Mechanical Turk project can be ideal for you if all you want is to earn a little additional cash without having to launch a significant endeavor, find an audience, or sell anything. One of the forms of Amazon employment that requires the fewest initial investments is this one. With the help of this program, anyone can join Amazon's massive workforce of remote workers. Participating in surveys as well as editing and validating content may be among your duties. It's not a quick way to become wealthy, but you might earn $15 or more per hour and fit these duties with your other activities with ease. Number 5. Fulfillment by Amazon. A profitable approach to earn money without bothering about delivery or customer service is through an Amazon FBA business. Once the items are dispatched, they are kept in an Amazon warehouse where they can earn you currency on the Amazon marketplace while you have to do nothing. This initiative is used by Amazon Prime to speed up the delivery of goods to customers. Send your goods to an Amazon center and allow them to handle delivery via the Amazon FBA service. Customers wouldn't even recognize the change, which explains why this program is so little known. You will be charged in units as an Amazon FBA seller, based on weight and size. If your merchandise doesn't sell, you also have to pay a monthly storage cost. Number 4. Kindle Direct Publishing. Can you approach a group of writers, or are you one yourself? A publishing house is no longer necessary to publish your work. You can publish Kindle books on the Kindle platform using Kindle Direct Publishing. You are eligible to receive 70% of royalties on total sales. On this platform, you have access to more than just digital Kindle books. Additionally, prints can be done on hard copies also. Profitable writing is essential to this line of work. A few bestsellers can work wonders. There won't be any publisher or agent to help you spread the word, so your work will have to sell itself, or you'll have to manage all marketing. Number 3. Amazon Merch. Do you think of yourself as a designer or an artist? You might be a good fit for Amazon Merch. If you are aware of cultural trends and have access to simple design tools, you might be able to create excellent designs that sell on this platform, even though you might not be an expert. You may market your designs on t-shirts, sweatshirts, and a variety of other items. To sell your goods on Amazon, you won't have to pay anything. Printing, packing, shipping, and customer care are all handled by Amazon. You only need to register, post your design and price, then add a description and color to your listing. You receive a royalty for each design you sell. Number 2. Amazon Handmade. You can sell apparel, art, accessories, or any different handcrafted items on Amazon Handmade. You will receive a unique URL from Amazon Handmade, which will make it much simpler for all consumers to find your store. Compared to other selling accounts, Amazon offers handcrafted vendors greater convenience and lower prices. For a professional selling account, you need to pay $39.99 per month, although handmade vendors are exempt from this charge. Just add 15% of your total sales price as a referral fee. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Being an Amazon associate is one of the easiest ways to get a large income on Amazon without going to sell anything directly. The affiliate program for Amazon is a true titan in the world of Amazon revenue. You can become an Amazon affiliate if you have online exposure, whether it comes via a blog, site, or your role as a community moderator. All you need to do is suggest items on Amazon in a category of products that will interest your target market. You will get a commission if your audience clicks the affiliate link and purchases something. The Amazon affiliate typically receives between 4 and 10% of the product's purchasing price. It's really simple to join the Amazon affiliate program, and it has the potential to be quite profitable. Why is Amazon the best for making money online? Since its 1994 start, Amazon has generated a gross market value of $344 billion United States dollars on the internet. No other e-commerce site generates as much revenue. An estimated 20% of all retail e-commerce sales in 2017 were made on the Amazon marketplace. Although income can be gained from several online shopping platforms, Amazon stands out as the largest and arguably most flexible choice, regardless of whether you're selling or earning cash from goods and services. Customers trust Amazon exceptionally well. Up to 89% of US consumers prefer Amazon over other e-commerce websites when making product purchases. Amazon has established a benchmark for gaining the trust of its customers and fostering enduring loyalty over the course of its comparatively big history as a virtual marketplace. Thank you for staying throughout. We hope you found this video helpful. Drop your views in the comments below. Like and share this video and hit the bell icon. Thank you!